what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we are going over the song Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. So it's a lot of different versions out there, but let's do the same key he's doing it in and the same form. Right, so put a capo on 5th fret, please. And it's gonna be a G shape. So it starts with G major to E minor, 1, 2, G major, E minor, C major, D major, G major, and D. So that's the first part, and then we have second part: G, C, D, E minor, C, D, B7, E minor, and then chorus. That's gonna be a C right there, but I like to put a 5th in the bass to make it a little heavier. So 1, 2, 3, and then a 5th. So like that. To E minor. Second part, G, C, D, E minor, C, D, B7, E minor, chorus, C, C, E minor, to C, So a lot of these chords, I like to play this G where you double up the B and the E string. Sounds good. Alright, so and the strumming is 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 6, 8. Da, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. To groove better, do the downstroke on the low string and then you play the high string. So low, high, low, high, low, high. There it is. Hallelujah. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. Take it easy.